unlock the meaning of stonewall in English. Hello, English learners and language enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that can be both literal and figurative: stonewall. Whether you've come across this phrase in a book, during a conversation, or in a business meeting, understanding what stonewall means will add a layer of sophistication to your English comprehension. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this phrase together. When we talk about stonewall in its most basic form, we're referring to a physical wall made out of stones. This could be a wall that's part of a building, a fence around a garden, or any other kind of barrier constructed with stone. It's a structure that's been used for centuries in different parts of the world, and it's as simple as it sounds: a wall built of stone. Interestingly, stonewall can also be used as a verb. When someone is stonewalling, they're not cooperating or refusing to answer questions. It's like they're putting up a metaphorical wall to block communication or progress. For example, if someone asks their coworker about the status of a project and they respond with evasive answers, they're stonewalling. The term stonewall also has a historical significance. It was notably used to describe General Thomas "Stonewall" Jackson's tactics during the American Civil War. By holding firm like a stone wall against Union attacks, Jackson earned his nickname, and Stonewall found a place in the military lexicon as a symbol of steadfastness and resilience. Now, let's see how to use stonewall in a sentence. As a noun, the old castle's stone wall has withstood hundreds of years of weather and war. As a verb, I tried to get an update from the team, but they stonewalled me at every turn. Remember, context is key to understanding whether stonewall is being used to describe a physical barrier or a person's behavior. I hope this video has clarified the meanings and uses of stonewall for you. Whether it's understanding historical references, recognizing when someone is being uncooperative, or simply knowing what a stone wall looks like, you're now better equipped to tackle this phrase in English. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, every new phrase is a step towards greater fluency. See you next time.